What's up, my people? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, so you will be the first to know when I upload my next video. Okay, I have a large family, so I cook a lot. Let's dive right into it. Today, what I'm gonna do is show you how I do my barbecue chicken. I really don't know how much chicken this is. But first thing what I do, I try to remove as much fat as possible, clean up my chicken, wash it with vinegar and fresh water, and then I use boiling water to rinse my chicken to get rid of some of that greasiness. I put it to drain. I don't really want any water on it. And then I get my seasoning ready, which is garlic, a lot of garlics, a little Mrs. Dash, some Maggi all-purpose, which is my favorite, some chicken seasoning, and a little salt, my scallion, thyme, a piece of hot pepper, pimento seed, bell pepper, and some onion. I put all that in the blender and I blend up the seasonings. Then I rub up my chicken with the seasoning. I leave some for later, but most time I do it overnight so it could soak properly. If not, I do it in the morning if I'm gonna cook in the evening. So that's how I season up my meat. There you go. I'm rubbing it in. And then later, before I cook it, I add the rest of the seasoning. Put it on the tray, stuck it in the oven on 400 degree. Let it bake while I start getting my barbecue sauce ready. There you go. I let it stay in the oven for about 45 minutes before I look at it. Then I boil my ginger in some water for a little while. Then I get my seasoning ready, which is onion, bell pepper, pimento, and I let that boil. Later I had a cup of ketchup, 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of browning, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. And I let all that boil. That's my sauce. That is how I make my barbecue sauce. There you go. Nice, rich and thick. So the next thing I do is turn my chicken. And I put it back in the oven under 400 degree for another 20 to 30 minutes. There you go. I turn all my chicken. The next thing I do is take it out and pour off that water that the chicken spring, because it's chicken spring water when you're baking it. So I pour that water off and then I start applying my barbecue sauce. So I use the brush. Sometimes I just dip it in the sauce, dip the chicken in the sauce, but I use the brush and make sure all the chicken get barbecue sauce on it. So that's how I do my barbecue, and then I stuck it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. So there you have it. Oh yeah, my kids dive into this when it's done. They love this thing. Barbecue chicken, oh my gosh. They would eat it every day. That's the good stuff. So there you have it, guys. All done. That's how I do my barbecue chicken. And then I chop it after all of that 20 minutes. I take out a piece and I cut it. And when I look into it, nothing's coming from the bone, you know that that chicken is well soaked. So it was good to ready to eat. And what I do, I cook some Spanish rice with this because there is only three things that I like eat barbecue chicken with. It's either vegetable, which is raw veg, rice and peas, or Spanish rice. So I cook some Spanish rice. And I put my coconut. How I do my Spanish rice, I boil the coconut. That's the first thing I do. I put some coconut milk and boil that, wash my mixed vegetable and season it. Season the coconut milk, put the mixed vegetable in, season the coconut milk with the mixed vegetable, put a half a tablespoon of egg powder. So the season that I use is scallion, thyme, pimento, a half a onion, a half a bell pepper. I don't cut them up. I just put it in there and let it boil. Then I wash my rice. I put my rice in hot water, and then when it's cold, I just wash it off and put it in the pot. So I wash my rice with hot water first, and then I just stir it up. When it boiled up, I turn the fire down. As soon as it boiled up, I turn the fire down, and that's it. There you go, my steaming, nice, love the color. That's how I cook my Spanish rice. It's as easy as white rice. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I add some of my previous dish at the end of this video, which is my ackee and saltfish, my pudding, my okra and saltfish, my pig foot. So you will see the end of this video. You see all that. Adios.